Hey there, YouTubers. Welcome back to another On the Bench here. Didn't have a model review build for you. I didn't finish anything this week, but that's okay. Been busy, been working, all that good stuff. I'm sure everybody knows what that's about. So I have been working on a couple cars here. Been doing this 68 Shelby, stuff in the box, GT. I built this kit before. It's horrible. I hate it. Absolutely hate the kit. So I wanted to do it again just to see what, see if I can make it better. And I was attempting to weather it. I've never weathered a vehicle before, and I know it's not very good. Watched a lot of videos that you guys have been having, a lot of videos that have been out there. So as of right now, I have this. Trying to make it look a little beat up. That's why the tire kind of sticks out where there. It's just, I don't like it. What do you guys think? I don't know. Not particularly happy with it, but I'm going to finish it up anyways. I got a bunch of parts sitting here. And then when I finish that, I didn't use the wheels on. I used the custom wheels I found in parts box. Going to weather those up too. But then when I'm done with that, I'm going to start the AMT. Almost dropped it. The AMT 53 Studebaker. This is from the metal tin one that they have out, the Studebaker Starliner. So let's see if I can do something a little custom with that. I kind of do it straight out of the box. Definitely don't want to do that weird that salt flat racer with the double engine where it comes out the sides. I don't want to do it. That don't interest me all that much. But I'm going to do that one. So I keep dropping it. Going to hit that up. Going to finish up the Mustang. Got a couple NASCAR builds I'd still like to do, but watching a lot of the NASCAR videos that have been out lately on the new Salvinos kits. Absolutely love those. So it's just a short update I got for you guys. Appreciate everything you guys are doing. We're watching the videos as many as I can. I try to comment on as many videos as I possibly can. Been watching them. Really appreciate what you guys are doing. Really appreciate the community. This is a great place to be. Kind of gives a whole different dynamic of building the cars and then sharing them, and I really enjoy that. So it's very cool. So short video here. It's a warm weekend today, at least here in Chicago. It's 80s and a little sticky. It's all right though. Better than the cold. So I got to go out this weekend, do some things. So I may not do a lot of modeling, but when I do, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. So, guys, have fun. Take care of yourselves. Love each other.